Before using an image, there are three things you should put in mind. One is the size of the image, the other is the format, okay, and then the last one is the resolution of the image. So you should get, if you are creating the images yourself, you should know the amount or the file type or the image size to use. Some of the editors you can use in creating images include but not limited to Photoshop. One of the popular ones. You can get it, use the free trial to see how it goes, then you can subscribe to it. And another one is the pixlr.com. This is a free editor, but there's a premium one also. You can try it. If it's good, you go for the premium. And it's an easy way of designing and then editing. And the last one I'm going to talk about is ipc.com. It's also free. You can use it in what? In creating your own design, in editing your own design. Because you can also use it in designing a collage, do your design for free. Okay, this is an example of this is the original image, and this is what IPC has been able to add by adding color effects, by making it greener as compared to the original. So this will be the end of our images lesson.